In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add all chart patterns quick and easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a TradingView chart that automatically highlights the major patterns for you, which can save you a lot of time when you're analyzing the markets. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is on the screen, look towards the top of the interface for the indicators button. It's usually near the middle of the toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. When that window pops up, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can look for any built-in tools or custom scripts. To find what we need, simply click into the search field and type the word all. You don't need to type anything else. Just the word all is enough for TradingView to pull up the indicator we're looking for. After typing all, take a moment to look through the results list that appears below the search bar. Among the built-in indicators, you'll see one called All Chart Patterns. This is the official TradingView tool that automatically scans your chart for common patterns. Once you spot all chart patterns in the list, click on it once. As soon as you do, the indicator will load on your chart. You should now see different pattern outlines and labels appearing directly on your price chart. These might include things like triangles, wedges, head and shoulders, and other common formations, depending on what the market is doing at that moment. You can hover over these labels or click the indicator settings icon next to its name at the top of the chart if you want to customize how it looks or which patterns are shown. Adjusting colors, line styles, or turning specific patterns on or off can make your chart easier to read and tailored to your personal trading style. If you're serious about using this tool regularly and you want more advanced features, better data, and an overall smoother experience, consider upgrading your TradingView account. I have an affiliate link for TradingView Pro in the video description. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and you'll unlock more powerful tools to go along with the All Chart Patterns indicator. That's all you need to do to get all chart patterns added quickly and easily. Follow these steps once, and you'll be ready to scan charts much more efficiently every time you open TradingView.